Hello aspirants, welcome to eVivekam. If we analyze the previous year questions, we can see that questions have been asked on rare earth minerals both in prelims and mains. Why do you think UPSC asking questions on it? Because these rare earth elements are essential for modern technology, like they can be used in making smartphones, laptops, and advanced electronics. And also they can be used in green energy transition program, wind turbines, solar panels, and also in electric vehicle batteries. By this we can move towards the cleaner energy, and they are also found in defense and space technology, like they found in missiles, radars, satellites. Here in medical industry also they are used in MRI machines and also for treating cancer and X-ray imaging, etc. Since the demand is increasing and mining is limited to few countries like US, China, Australia and Africa, rare earth elements, it is also important for India. If we can find and extract these rare earth elements in India, we can decrease the dependence of imports from other countries. Scientists are also exploring the deep sea mining and recycling the old electronics to find new sources to reduce the dependence on other countries. Till now, we saw why these are important. Now let's see what are these minerals. Even though the name says rare, they are quite common. The name is given because they are hard to find in large amounts and also difficult to separate from other elements. That's why the name rare earth minerals has been given to it. There are 17 rare earth elements found in the earth's crust. They are divided into light earth rare elements and also heavy earth element. Coming to India's position in rare earth elements, India has 5th largest rare earth elements reserves. The primary source of these rare earth minerals is monazite sand, which is found in the coastal states like Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. And the mining is done by Indian Rare Earths Limited, which is under the government control. Let's move on to the current affairs.